how to deactivate Facebook account. Now this is a step-by-step tutorial with the new updated settings on how to actually do this. It's actually very easy to do, but they have Facebook has moved like the whole settings up, so it's actually completely different than most videos you have probably searched for. So these are the new settings, and what you want to do is simply click on the menu. This is still the same kind of. Scroll down and go to settings and privacy, and then open up the settings. Now, as you can see, these settings look completely different than they used to. And you used to be able to click somewhere right here, but now they've moved this. They have moved this to the Accounts Center. So right over here at the top, you can see the Meta Account Center, and you want to click on See More in Account Center. So once you've clicked on there, you will open up the Meta Account Center, and you can actually see all your accounts in here. I've also connected it to Instagram, for example. But what you want to do is simply go to Personal Details. And right here, you can actually see Account Ownership and Control. There you want to select the deactivation or deletion. And then you want to select your Facebook account, of course. And there you go. We are right here in these settings. You can either delete or deactivate it. Now deactivating your account is way better because then you can always log back in whenever you would like to, and everything is saved, and deleting it is of course fully deleted. Now then hit continue, and here it says deactivating your Facebook account page and additional Facebook profiles that will be deactivated. So these two pages will also be deactivated. Keep that in mind. Hit continue again. And here you have to fill in your Facebook password. And once you've done that, you have to confirm it. And then you will be able to deactivate your Facebook account. So that is basically it. That's how you can do it. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did. And then I will see you next time.